In today's Excel video, I'm going to show you how to use the max function to find the highest value. I've got a list of orders over here. I want to find the highest value. I can easily see that it's 30. Two ways to do it. I'm going to use AutoSum on the Home tab. There is the word max. It has a blank. I don't care. The number 30 is correct. I changed this. Let's give Belgium 50. The max is now 50. If you don't like using the AutoSum in the top right, you can always just type this function yourself. B2 colon B7, and there's 50. Thank you for your time.